Hello everyone, my name is Kalpesh Dharmendra Badane and today's date is 16 November 2021 and I completed my BE in Mechanical from Matashri College of Engineering Nashik and I have secured 7.63 CGPA in BE Mechanical. Today's topic is data types. So we will discuss about on data types. So data types are specify the different sizes and value that can be stored in the variable. Its example is int a is equal to 9. Int is a data type, a is a variable name, and 9 is a value that can be stored in the variable. So there are two types of data types. First is a primitive data type, second is a non-primitive data type. In primitive data types, there are 8 primitive data types. First is a byte, second is a short, third is a int, fourth is a float, fifth is a long, sixth is a double, and 7 is a char, and 8 is a boolean. And in non-primitive data types, there are many types non-primitive data types. First is a string, second is a array, third is a class. In primitive data types we will discuss one by one. So first is a byte data type. Byte takes a 1 byte memory, and its value range from minus 127 to minus 128 to 127, and its default value is 0. And second primitive data type is short. Take a 2 byte memory, and its range from minus in bracket 2 raised to 60 divided by 2 up to in bracket 2 raised to 60 divided by 2 minus 1, and its default value is 0. Integer are most commonly used data types in the Java programming language, and it's take a 4 byte memory, and its value range from minus in bracket 2 raised to 32 divided by 2 up to in bracket 2 raised to 32 divided by 2 minus 1, and its default value is 0. And next primitive data type is a float. Take a 4 byte memory, and its default value is 0.0 f. Its value range from minus in bracket 2 raised to 32 divided by 2 up to in bracket 2 raised to 32 divided by 2 minus 1, and we can write at the end of the value dot 0 if. And next primitive data type is long. Take a 8 byte memory, and its default value is 0, and its value range from minus in bracket 2 raised to 64 divided by 2 up to 2 raised to 64 divided by 2 minus 1. At the end of the value we can write the capital L. And next primitive data type is a double. Double takes a 8 byte memory, and its default value is 0.0 d, and its range from minus in bracket 2 raised to 64 divided by 2 up to in bracket 2 raised to 64 divided by 2 minus 1, and its accuracy greater than long. Next primitive data type is a char. Take a 2 byte memory. It store the numeric value or character. Its default value is backslash u 0000, and its range from 0 to 65535, it store the character or numeric value. How to write the character? First is a char equal to a and char a equal to single inverted comma. In single inverted comma we can write the character or numeric value. Next is a boolean default value is false. It says it depends on JVM. It's store the only two values store the first is a false and second is a true. Next non-primitive data type is a string is a sequence of character. So we write the in double inverted comma we can write the name or string. Next non-primitive data type is array. Array is a collection of similar type of data. Thank you.